Alright guys, I got a little package over here from Outcast Garage. So this is a carbon fiber duckbill trunk. And the reason I went with this over the Sibin one, I'll show you here after I unbox it. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and let's take a little peek, see what we got in here. Alright, let's see this. Looks like this comes really packed really well. Some handy scissors here and cut this little this sexy ass carbon fiber up. Can take a look at it. Check this out. I flipped this over to kind of start unpacking it. They really do a good job. You can put these little wood inserts in here, and then these little blocks go, like, these little slides go on top of the, I wouldn't say on top, but they go on the sides of the duckbill trunk and keep it from getting any of these edges smashed, which is what I was worried about. So far it's looking pretty good. This is awesome. Dang. Wow, this is a beautiful piece. So Outcast Garage actually does the design of this. This is their own design. So let's see here. Yeah, it's sick. They got the perfect little lip that goes up. Look at that. And why I like this one over the Sibin one is it doesn't have the block that comes all the way down here. It looks like the Aston Martin that goes up like this. That's sick. I mean, yeah, it's 1,100 bucks plus 13. What is it, 300 to get it clear coated? So you're looking around 1,500 bucks for this. But after getting it here, it looks like it's worth it. Also got to put these big brake kit on the G eventually. Get to that, but I'm gonna wear out my brakes and warp my other rotors first. No rush. Alright, let's take a little look at this now that I got it outside of the box. I mean, yeah. And that's the perfection of design for a duckbill trunk on a G35. I don't think that... This is beautiful. In real life, it's so much nicer than I thought.